Several areas in Albay have seen ash fall as Mayon volcano continues to emit thick smoke under alert level 3. Among those affected by the ash fall is Legazpi City. Now let's get updates on the ground. We have with us News 5's Gio Robles. Gio, around what time did you start experiencing this ash fall?
Says, glad to see you. But before that, let me begin with residents evacuated from the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone of Mayon volcano increased to nearly 1,000 families or over 3,000 residents. Earlier today, we chanced upon some residents from Barangay Anuling in Camalig Town fleeing their homes amid the Alert Level 3 status raised for Mayon by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCS. This morning, a new dark lava dome formed at Mayon's crater, sending fast-moving pyroclastic flows or uson down its slopes. PHIVOLCS reported nearly 50 flows. In 1993, more than 70 people were killed after being hit by uson. One of the survivors is Arnulfo Arias. He was 24 years old at that time and living in Barangay Matanag here in Legazpi City. Now 58, the scars remain. Third-degree burns still mark different parts of his body, permanent reminders of how close he came to death. Arias says he was farming near the foot of the volcano when the area was suddenly engulfed in smoke and ash. To this day, Arias says the trauma remains from the uson that nearly took his life. Meantime, ash clouds rose 1,000 meters and drifted west-northwest, leaving light ashfall here in Legazpi, Ligao, Bakakay, Camalig, and Daraga. Earlier today as well, Secretary of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD, Rex Gatchalian, personally visited Albay. And kanina nung nakausap natin siya, he made sure na yung mga relief packs na ipapamahagi sa mga evacuees ay hindi lang sapat kundi sobra pa, kasi from 2023 na experience daw ni Gatchalian when he was first appointed, when he was a new secretary of the DSWD, umabot ng 6 months yung mga residente sa mga evacuation center. So sabi niya ngayon, nasa 144,000 ang mga relief packs na nakaredy nang i-distribute. On top of that, may 100,000 pa na mga relief packs na manggagaling sa Maynila and even in Cebu. Ses, back to you.
Thank you, Gio Robles, for your update.